Don't skip this. You know this feeling, right? You want to speak English, but your mouth says nothing.
Your mouth is quiet, but your brain is working.
No, my brain is sleeping. Deep sleep.
Good. Today we wake it up.
Welcome to Learn English with Alex and Alice.
Speak English with confidence. One story at a time.
Alice, I went to the supermarket again.
Oh no, what happened this time?
I wanted rice. Simple rice.
That sounds easy.
I said, I am finding rice.
Not wrong, but not natural.
The man looked confused. I looked confused too.
Two confused people in one place.
Then I said, rice is hiding from me.
Rice is not playing hide and seek.
I was nervous. My English disappeared again.
Okay, what do you want to say?
I want to ask for things like a normal person.
Hey, listen, you are learning. That is important.
But I make many mistakes.
That is normal. Mistakes help you grow.
Really?
Yes. Speak more, fear less.
Okay, I will try.
Good. And don't forget, like and subscribe for more English practice.
Yes, please. I need help.
Let's go step by step. Imagine you enter a supermarket.
Okay, I enter. I am scared.
No fear. You are safe. Start simple.
My heart is running fast.
That is okay. First, you greet.
Oh, greeting first.
Yes, always greet first.
Okay.
Say hello.
Hello.
Again.
Hello.
Or good morning.
Good morning.
Again.
Good morning.
Good. Smile a little.
Small smile? Not big smile?
Good. Now you ask for help.
I feel shy.
It is okay. Just try.
Okay. How?
Say, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Again.
Excuse me.
One more time.
Excuse me.
Good. Now ask your question.
Okay. Excuse me. Where is bread?
Very good.
Again.
Yes. Repeat.
Excuse me. Where is bread?
Good. Clear and simple.
Not, I want to bread?
No.
Okay. No more to bread.
Good choice. Now imagine you don't see bread.
Yes, I am walking. No bread.
Ask again.
Excuse me. Where is bread?
Good. Keep it simple. Next, you want milk.
Not cow water?
Yes, not cow water.
I remember now.
Good. Say, where can I find milk?
Where can I find milk?
Again?
Where can I find milk?
One more time.
Where can I find milk?
Very good.
What if I say, where is milk?
That is also good. Very simple.
Where is milk?
Yes. Again?
Where is milk?
Now you find the milk.
Yes, I am happy again.
Good. Now you want eggs too.
Okay.
Ask, do you have eggs?
Do you have eggs?
Again.
Do you have eggs?
Good.
What if they say yes?
Then you say, can I have eggs, please?
Can I have eggs, please?
Again.
Can I have eggs, please? This sounds nice, polite.
Yes, always be polite. Now you go to the cashier.
The money place.
Yes, the cashier.
I am ready.
Good. Put your items down.
Okay.
Now ask the price.
I say, how much is this?
Perfect. Say it again.
How much is this?
One more time.
How much is this?
If you have many things,
I think, how much are these?
yes, very good.
Again?
Yes.
How much are these?
One more time.
How much are these? This, these, I understand now.
Good. One is this. Many is these.
My brain is opening small.
I can see that. Now, the cashier tells the price.
Okay. Maybe it is high.
I cry inside.
You can say, it is too expensive.
It is too expensive.
Again.
It is too expensive.
Or maybe it is cheap.
I smile big.
Say, that is cheap.
That is cheap.
Again.
That is cheap.
Now you pay.
I say, take my money.
No, be polite.
Okay, what do I say?
Say, here you go. Here you go. Again. Here you go. One more time. Here you go. The cashier gives you change.
I say, thank you.
Good. Again.
Thank you.
One more time.
Thank you.
The cashier says, you're welcome. You're welcome. Again. You're welcome. Now, do you want a bag?
Yes! I always forget this.
Say, can I have a bag, please?
Can I have a bag, please?
Again.
Can I have a bag, please?
One more time.
Can I have a bag, please? What if I don't understand the cashier?
Good question. Say, I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Again.
I don't understand.
Or say, please repeat.
Please repeat.
Again.
Please repeat.
One more time.
Please repeat.
This is easy. Why was I scared? Because your brain said cow water. But now your brain says milk.
Yes! My brain is learning!
Good job. Next time?
I speak with confidence.
Yes! No fear.
No more cow water. No more hiding rice.
I am proud of you.
Let's practice the key sentences together.
Yes, I am ready.
Say, hello.
Hello.
Again.
Hello.
Say, good morning.
Good morning.
Again.
Good morning.
Say, excuse me.
Excuse me?
Again.
Excuse me.
One more time.
Excuse me.
Say, where is bread?
Where is bread?
Again.
Where is bread?
Say, where can I find milk?
Where can I find milk?
Again.
Where can I find milk?
Say, where is milk?
Where is milk?
Again.
Where is milk?
Say, do you have eggs?
Do you have eggs?
Again.
Do you have eggs?
Say, can I have eggs, please?
Can I have eggs, please?
Again.
Can I have eggs, please?
Say, can I have bread, please?
Can I have bread, please?
Again.
Can I have bread, please?
Say, how much is this?
How much is this?
Again,
How much is this?
say, how much are these?
How much are these?
Again,
How much are these?
say, it is too expensive.
It is too expensive.
Again,
It is too expensive.
say, that is cheap.
That is cheap.
Again,
That is cheap.
say, here you go.
Here you go.
Again,
Here you go.
say, thank you.
Thank you.
Again,
Thank you.
say, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Again,
You're welcome.
you're welcome. Say, can I have a bag, please?
Can I have a bag, please?
Again,
Can I have a bag, please?
say, I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Again,
I don't understand.
say, please repeat.
Please repeat.
Again,
Please repeat.
say, that's all.
That's all.
Again,
That's all.
say, anything else?
Anything else?
Again,
Anything else?
say, I'm just looking.
I'm just looking.
Again,
I'm just looking. I feel better now.
good. Let's use them in a conversation.
Hello.
Hello,
Excuse me, where is bread?
it is over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, where can I find milk?
It is in the fridge.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you have eggs?
Yes, we do.
Can I have eggs, please?
Yes,
How much are these?
they are $5.
That is cheap.
Yes,
How much is this bread?
it is $2.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I have a bag, please?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's all.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Now I try slowly.
Yes. Speak slowly.
Hello.
Hello.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Where is bread?
Where is bread?
Where can I find milk?
Where can I find milk?
Do you have eggs?
Do you have eggs?
Can I have eggs, please?
Can I have eggs, please?
How much is this?
How much is this?
How much are these?
How much are these?
It is too expensive.
It is too expensive.
That is cheap.
That is cheap.
Here you go.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Can I have a bag, please?
Can I have a bag, please?
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Please repeat.
Please repeat.
That's all.
That's all.
Anything else?
Anything else? I'm just looking. I'm just looking. Say this with me. Excuse me, where is milk?
Comment ready if you understand.
Which is correct? A. I want to bread. B. I want bread.
Type your answer now.
Try this sentence. Can I have a bag, please?
Say it again. Louder.
You are doing well. Keep going.
I feel confident now.
Practice every day.
I will go again. No fear.
Good. Speak more.
No more cow water.
Bye.
Bye.
Like and subscribe to Learn English with Alex and Alice.